Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Twitter Traffic Campaign Tutorial 2024. A Twitter traffic campaign is designed to drive traffic to your website, landing page, or app. Follow this step-by-step guide to create an effective Twitter traffic campaign in 2024. Go to Create Campaign in the upper right here, select Advanced, and Next, then select the option of Website Traffic. Now, if you listen to a lot of people, they're going to tell you never run traffic campaign. Always run conversion sales campaign or sometimes do an awareness campaign. But there are definitely cases where you actually do want a traffic. So for example, if you're trying to drive traffic to an article that was published about your product in the New York Times, well, you can install any sort of pixel to track conversions there. So it wouldn't make any sense. Instead, what you want is people going there. Let's select website traffic and then hit next. And we have some options here. We can call it campaign, whatever we want. So I'll call it test traffic. We can choose to do A/B testing if we wish. You can also choose this option, campaign budget optimization. If you turn this on, what Twitter is going to do is allocate your budget to the best performing ad groups. I preferably want this off because I want to see which ad groups are performing well. The other thing is that you can adjust this later on, so I opt to have more control, but it's up to you. You can also choose to put a campaign spend cap, maybe $500 or something like that. Let's hit next. Now we're in the ad group section. I'm gonna call this test ad group. I'm gonna leave dynamic product ads off here. I'm gonna set a daily ad group budget of, let's say, $50. Total ad group budget, let's say $500. Run indefinitely. Delivery, I'm gonna go with link clicks. Now, site visits would be nice if you actually own the website and you're not trying to drive traffic to like a TechCrunch article about your product or something. Or it's nice if you own a Shopify page. But a lot of the times when you're doing traffic, you can't do that. So link clicks is often the best option. You can go with auto bid, target cost, or maximum bid. So with maximum bid, you can put in a maximum cost per click. This would be the best option if you're trying to control prices. One of the challenges with Twitter, though, is it doesn't have the same reach that you're going to have with, say, Facebook so often. You might want to go with a slightly more aggressive option, not just the cheapest option. I'm going to go with pay per link click here. You could also bid by impressions. And the pacing, often I want to go with accelerated because I'm interested in getting fast results, not necessarily because I think that's best from a marketing standpoint. In general, you do want to allocate your budget evenly throughout the year. That's best practice. Accelerated is very good if you're selling an entertainment product or highly seasonal product. Maybe it's only relevant around Halloween, but if you want data, you want information to help you make your future decisions, go and choose accelerated. Here you can choose which placements to go with, profiles, search results, and replies. I generally want to narrow the demographic information and language. So I'm definitely going to put in English here. I only want to target people that speak English. I only want to target the United States. I don't want my budget to be disproportionately spent in cheaper countries. So general best practices is to target wealthy countries in separate campaigns or separate ad groups so that the budget otherwise will only go to the cheapest environments wherever the algorithm can find the cheapest clicks in this case or cheapest impressions in other cases. You can also do radius around the location, which is a new feature. Now for devices, if you want to be conservative, just go with desktop, especially when you don't want a bunch of missed clicks. I would, in this case, probably get a little more aggressive since I want quick data, so I'm gonna add in iOS and Android, leave out other mobile. You can select your device, your carrier, etc. Audiences. You could go with a custom audience if you want it, like importing a list. I'm more interested in getting higher reach though, so I'm not gonna go with that option. We can go with keywords here. So I could type in, say, product marketing. So I could put in product marketing here. I could put on Amazon. Can put on, let's say, cross-country running. See if there's something for that. I don't know what your niche is, but if you're trying to sell running shorts or something, or a running training program, maybe you're a physiotherapist, clinic, you could put in something like that. We could do follower lookalikes if we wish, but a lot of people have fake followers or they pay for followers that are relevant to who you want to target. So just be cautious with that. We could target based on interest. So things like, are they interested in books? Are they interested in business? So for me, targeting people that are interested in advertising would make sense. movies and TV shows, events. Maybe there's certain political events people are interested in, the Olympics, etc. Conversation topics, I could type in something like marketing interest in social media marketing world, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Adobe Marketing Cloud. You can get pretty specific here with some of the conversation topics. There's also the option of retargeting people that have shown activity with their specific profile. The other thing I want to point out here, my default, is to go with keywords, and you can also select the recommendations option. Something to keep in mind is that when we do keyword targeting on channels that are outside of Google search and Bing search, the definition is much looser. So for example, even with YouTube targeting, it's very broad definition of what the keyword is. And with Twitter, keywords are based on what people have searched for, what they tweeted, or what were in the tweets that they engaged with. So it's not necessarily precisely, oh, they've searched for this keyword, and that's who we're targeting. Now we also have this option, optimize targeting. Allow X to reach people beyond your targeted audience when there's a potential to achieve better performance. I generally would leave this off. I think going with these AI-driven optimization things are fine when you're optimizing for sales and the AI knows what outcome to achieve. But when you're doing something like brand awareness or clicks, the AI is going to do a very bad job and basically just show your ads to people that are going to misclick, people that are just kids on their parents' phones and click a bunch of stuff like that. So I prefer to have a control here unless I'm running a sales campaign. Now we can create a new ad or we can use an existing ad. But instead, what we're going to do is we're going to create an ad from scratch. Destination in this case is going to be a website. I could put in some text here. You can go with single media, photo or video or carousel, 2 to 6 photos or videos. Then you would press next and you would actually launch your campaign at this point. So you would just go ahead and press launch campaign. And that's it. By following this tutorial, you can set up and run a successful Twitter traffic campaign in 2024, driving more traffic to your website and achieving your marketing goals.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Sendster from Technique Force. Add the power of AI to your email newsletters. High performance, lower cost email newsletters powered by AI. Sendster AI plus Amazon SES equals super savings. Send 10,000 emails with Amazon SES plus Sendster for only $1. Craft perfect emails with inbuilt AI writer. Create beautiful and high-impact email designs. Dozens of ready-made templates included, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Sendster now. Just go to getsendster.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.